How to set crossfade on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set crossfade on Spotify. First go to Spotify and now you need to click this icon here in the top corner to go to the settings. Click on it and then you need to find this one, crossfade. And now all you need to do, just select something you want, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I will just let it on off, and as you see, that's how set crossfade on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.